Welcome back to Health with Veg Food. Today we're here to make your lunchtime routine more exciting with 6 different vegetarian dishes tailored for a weekly rotation. We understand the importance of variety in your meals, so we've curated a diverse selection of options that are perfect for packing into your lunchbox throughout the working days. Get ready to add some flavor and nutrition to your midday meals with these mouth-watering dishes that are sure to keep you satisfied and energized. Let's dive. Monday. Baked bean jacket potato. On Monday, kickstart your week with a classic comfort, a hearty jacket potato topped with savory baked beans. This timeless dish is not only delicious but also packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. Tuesday, vegetable and couscous salad. Lighten things up on Tuesday with a refreshing vegetable and couscous salad. Featuring seasonal veggies and fluffy couscous tossed in a tangy vinaigrette dressing, this salad is a perfect way to add some color and crunch to your midweek lunch. Wednesday, cheese and tomato sandwich. Midweek calls for a simple yet satisfying cheese and tomato sandwich on whole grain bread. Creamy cheese, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy lettuce come together between 2 slices of wholesome bread for a lunchtime treat. Thursday, falafel wrap with tzatziki sauce. As we reach Thursday, spice things up with a falafel wrap drizzled with creamy tzatziki sauce. Packed with crispy falafel balls, fresh vegetables, and a burst of Mediterranean flavors, this wrap is sure to be a hit with your taste buds. Friday, vegetable soup with wholemeal bread roll. Welcome the weekend on Friday with a comforting bowl of vegetable soup served with a wholemeal bread roll. Whether you're craving warmth or need a quick and easy option, this soup and roll combo is sure to hit the spot. Saturday, pesto pasta salad with roasted vegetables. As we wrap up the week on Saturday, indulge in a pasta salad packed with pesto and roasted vegetables. Al dente pasta tossed in homemade pesto sauce and roasted veggies create a flavorful and filling lunch option that's perfect for enjoying on the go. And there you have it, 6 delicious vegetarian dishes to add some excitement to your weekly routine. From comforting classics to vibrant salads and wraps, each dish offers a unique combination of flavors and nutrients to keep your taste buds happy and your body fueled. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any other dishes you'd like to see featured in future videos, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and healthy meal ideas. Let's build a community of food enthusiasts together. Until next time, happy dining.